What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out Loopring, which has pumped massively today. One of the biggest pumpers in the market. We can see it's up 43% over the last 24 hours. Will it continue to pump, or is it game over? So let's check out what's going on for Loopring. We can see up 40% against Bitcoin, now trading at 38 cents. What the frick is going on? $515 million market cap, and it's rank 81 amongst other cryptocurrencies. So over the last 3 months, it's been very, very bearish, just sort of tumbling down, lower lows, lower highs. But today, a surge of volume has come in. So is $1 possible once again? Let's take a look at what's going on inside the crypto markets. We can see this is Ethereum's first ZK rollup layer 2, fast, secure, and 100 times lower fees only on the layer 2 as opposed to layer 1. So it's certainly a nice website. It's very easy to navigate. I think they could work on some sort of front end SEO bits, but nevertheless, Loopring has potentially got a very, very strong future. So why is the crypto market up today? Let's have a look at some news before we do jump in. But first things first, do subscribe to the channel and enter yourself to my $1,000 giveaway. Winner announced on the 1st of December. Just a little way to say thank you to all the support, subscribers, patrons, and newcomers to the channel. Thank you so much, everybody. So let's have a look at what's going on. Why is the crypto market up today? Well, Bitcoin price is back at highs from mid-September, and Bitcoin bulls have staged another attack on $21,000. Here are 3 reasons why the crypto markets are surging. So let's unravel the crypto markets together. So the most definitive charge on 21K has been Bitcoin USD reaching its highest levels since September 13. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView confirms. After volatility caused by the US Fed Reserve's interest rate hike, Bitcoin made up lost time and days later, leaving bears and shorters in the dust. Yikes. So the overall crypto market cap has already passed 1 trillion mark once again, according to the data from CoinMarketCap, which is of course really, really bullish too. And there was something I really liked when I was just scrolling down a little bit lower. It's to do with the Bitcoin volatility snaps, which have recorded low levels. So we can see, analyzing data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro TradingView, it becomes clear that Bitcoin USD has been too quiet for too long. It really has been, to be honest. It's been within the Bollinger Bands. You can see this is especially visible in the BB volatility indicator, which has been rarely closer together in Bitcoin's history and demanding for a breakout for weeks. So when it's squeezed close together, that's usually when you do get that breakout. You see that volatility, you see the separation of the Bollinger Bands. What's very interesting is this quote here. Pretty funny that volatility has been so compressed, and we've become so conditioned as a market participants that the slightest 3% move feels like 15 to 20%. It actually does, right? We're seeing these small jumps, but the euphoria and the emotion attached to each impulse, contraction and expansion is exactly the same as how it felt back in the bull market, seeing the 50, 100 and 200% increases. We're feeling the same emotions, but just on a smaller movements. It's very funny how the conditions of the market also change the condition of how your mind thinks. What else can we check out? Loopring over here. This is it. So yes, it looks good today. Zooming out, it looks terrible, guys. It is a bit bearish. 90% down from the all-time high. It's hard to say if this will ever actually recover again. But we can see we broke through this key resistance at 0.35, and we're still pumping here. We're a bit overbought on the daily RSI, which isn't a great thing. And looking at the Bollinger Bands, the volatility is back as we explode through the top ribbon, destroying the 20-day moving average at the same time. So 4-hour time frame, we can see extremely overbought, 87 on the RSI. So we could probably imagine a reversal coming soon for Loopring, as things do get a bit crazy. And on that 20-day moving average, we're very overextended, so we could expect a bit of a pullback, trading sideways, and then wait for that 20-day moving average to come, and then you basically retest the 20-day moving average and hope for a pump to the upside. That would be very, very ideal. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, get yourself into my Discord channel down below. We're looking at pre-sales, we're trading, we've got the general discussion section. There's about 2,000 people in here at the moment, a real active community full of very much like-minded people. So come check out the Discord down below. You can see my trading calls and signals and join the community today. So what else is going on with Loopring? It looks like we're forming a bit of rollover here, but it almost looks like there's a nice sort of ascending channel on the formation. So let's quickly join up some dots and see what's going on. We're going to join the resistances here, as you see. And now we're going to join together the supports, just like that. So we've almost got an ascending channel pattern, which is quite good. It's quite bullish, right? It shows the trajectory is upwards. And should this follow a textbook path, we could see a swing high up to 0.449. If we retest and break through, then we could easily see 51 cents as a technical target and break through. Of course, the bearish scenario is always here. We are starting to print red candles now. We would lose the 0.38. Come down, maybe retest the ascending channel support as a resistance, and then make our way down lower to the 0.34 price level, where we could basically just dump all the way back down to 0.31. So there's two scenarios. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen, but we can see actually on this chart right now, in my opinion, a bearish divergence. But this is on the 5-minute time frame, so is it that accurate? Probably not. Let's check the 31st. Yeah, we're still seeing a bearish divergence here on the RSI and the price action. So we can see relative strength index down below. We're putting through lower RSIs, and on the price action we are putting through higher price. So I do think it's possible we fold, and we actually have a technical target of about $0.34 here for Loopring, in my opinion. That's just what I think will happen because of the bearish divergence that we're starting to print on the charts. What else is happening in the markets? Altseason indexing at 47. We might see an Altseason soon, guys. Maybe prepare for that in late November, December, or early January 2023. And the rainbow chart is also telling us that we are very much in an accumulation season. So it's time to scoop up more of that juicy cryptocurrency today, whilst it's looking more undervalued. But of course, the crypto markets are always risky, so do be careful of what you choose to do with your capital. And this is not financial advice. Now, 3 things I do want to suggest to you as potential lucrative investment options. We've got some big stuff, some juicy stuff, just like the Tamadoge presale, just like Battle Infinity. I'm sure you guys are very excited, and we've got more to come. I can't wait to share with you later this month some of the crazy things that will be happening. So another presale, 3 more in fact. We've got IMPT, you can check that one out down below. It's an eco-friendly carbon offsetting coin which helps reduce global warming. Really like this one. I do hold about $2,000 worth. We've got Calvaria, which is a play to earn battle card game. Very, very nice. Do like this graphics here, and I think the light paper is just really, really cool. So check out Calvaria down below. Another great pre-sale opportunity, stronger than the similar competitors in the market. And the next one is Dash to Trade, which has nearly raised $5 million. Just yesterday, this is at 4.5 million. So $295,000 has been raised for Dash to Trade in the last 24 hours, which reflects significant traction in a bear market. Anyway, guys, that's enough from me for now. I will see you soon. Do subscribe if you're new here, comment and like. Let me know what your favorite pre-sale options are. And are you buying Loopring, or are you buying something else? I would love to know. See you in the Discord, folks.